There, let's learn the final I together in this class. When you pronounce the final I, pronounce A first and pull your tongue forward. Then pronounce E quickly without gap.
I.
Let's try some of the words with the final I. 开车，开车。排球，排球。That's all for the final I. Let's learn the final A. When you pronounce the final A, pronounce A first and pull your tongue forward. Then pronounce E quickly without gap. You can feel your tongue is upward.
A.
Let's try some of the words with the final A. 北京，北京。黑色，黑色。That's all for the final A. Let's learn the final all together. Pronounce A first, then pronounce O quickly without gap.
Ao.
Let's try some of the words with the final ao. 告诉，告诉。好吃，好吃。That's all for the final ao. Let's learn the final O. When you pronounce the final O, pronounce O first, then pronounce U quickly without gap.
O.
Let's try some of the words with the final O. 高楼，高楼。走路，走路。That's all for the final O.